Hey, what's up, fam? Today I'm gonna show you how to make an absolutely delicious recipe. Hey, you can call it lima beans or butter beans, whatever you call it. It's absolutely delicious. A southern staple in the house. Easy recipe. Let me show you what I got here. Hey, I got this bowl right here. See that? Nice and creamy. And you can't forget those ham hocks. So we got some ham hocks that we're working with today. I'm gonna get you in the game, get those ingredients, and let's get in the game together and follow this recipe. I'm gonna be honest with you, I ain't had time to soak these overnight. So what we're gonna do is a quick soak, or you can call them like a flash boil. So this is gonna be done in an hour. These beans were actually not gonna be cooked in an hour, but this will get you the same effect as, you know what I'm saying, soaking them for 24 hours, just done in an hour's time. So if you're on the time crunch, this is what you need to do right here. So we're gonna look over these beans, make sure we don't have any rocks, any, beans that we need to discard, and then we're gonna get these quick soak. All right, so we got these beans covered, so we're gonna wait till these get up to a boil. And then once they come up to a boil, we'll turn the heat off and then cover them with a pot, let them rest for an hour. While we're doing that, I got me a pan here, and you already seen those ham hocks. So what I wanna do is I wanna get these started so we can get these tenderized. I'm not gonna use chicken broth initially, and I might even use it, in the later part in the recipe, but this has, a bunch of sodium, and then it got a bunch of smoke flavor. So I'm just gonna cover this with water and then add a little thyme in there, and then let this pot be flavorful, and then we'll add those beans in, and then we'll be in the game. These up to a boil, and you wanna stir them occasionally while they get to a boil. Now we wanna remove this from the heat, let this sit for about an hour. We'll be in the game. Now we got these ham hocks going, and I'm gonna reduce this to a simmer while these rest, and then we'll marry these two. Flash boil. We'll take them over here, put them in this pot. Once we get everything in, we'll see how they look. Might add a little bit more liquid. Now, if it's some intense debates, we're gonna go ahead and transfer this back into this bigger pot. We're gonna go ahead and add some chicken broth to fill this and cover these beans while we let these cook the rest of the way. We're gonna get this up to a simmer, bring it back up to a boil, and then let it simmer, and then we'll let these cook until they become tender. And then, like I said, we'll season them up and we'll be in the game. In the saucepan, we're gonna add some butter, and then to increase the flavor of that pot, I got some onion and some garlic that I'm gonna saute. And we'll let these render down. This is going to introduce some other additional flavors, onion and garlic. And it's going to make these lima beans, butter beans, whatever you call it in your home, it's going to make them absolutely delicious. Now, after those onions have worked down, we can go ahead and add in our garlic and let that become fragrant. It doesn't take long for that garlic to get fragrant. And then when it is, hey, we're going to come back over to this pot right here. Now you see those lima beans, we got like a little soft simmer. With those ham hocks, we end up shredding these ham hocks when these butter beans, lima beans start to thicken up for us. But we'll go ahead and add these onions and this garlic into that pot, and then we'll give it a stir. Let me put the top back on. We're gonna let this simmer. All right, we've been going for a little minute. Take a look at this pot. Like I said, what you want to do is you want to come in and occasionally stir it. And as you can see right here, you see the water starting to change colors because these butter beans, and look at this right here, as they soften up, they'll thicken this pot up. So the more you stir, the thicker it'll get. It's smelling good, fam. I'm gonna let this go for a little while longer. Put this top back on. Come back, like I said, occasionally stir it, and then we'll shred these ham hocks. Oh, they tender too. They're real tender. So we'll shred those in a little bit. We're gonna be in the game. All right, fam. Take a look where we are. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add me a little bit of pepper, and this is a bit hot, so gotta season it up. Then we got some Creole seasoning, and just gonna add a little bit in. And you don't need a lot because everything is already flavored it up. This is just additional flavors to top this off, and this looks amazing. And check this out. Remember I told you those ham hocks are tender. They ready to go? Yes, sir. They already falling apart. So all you got to do now, hey, get you some, and then just shred it up. And you can just do it with your spoon if you like. Comes apart like that. The more you stir, creamier it gets. Yes, sir. So we'll get that in a bowl, nice and creamy. Get you some cornbread. And if you want to make a recipe, some cornbread that's absolutely easy and delicious, hey, check out that card right there on your screen. Hey, it's cornbread made with ice cream. Salt and pepper to taste. It's already flavorful, but you know, some people want a little bit more kick. If you want to put a little hot sauce on there, you can too. And then get you some cornbread. Yep. Hey, you already know what I got to do. I got to get a taste test, nice and creamy. We in the game. And I forgot. Cheers, fam. And that right there is absolutely delicious, fam. And then hit it with a little bit of cornbread. Yes, sir. Cornbread made with ice cream. I'm telling you, it's absolutely delicious. Give that recipe a try. But these lima beans, hey, this is where it's at. You in the game.